We're gonna kill this one. Inside the bus, inside the bus.
Bomb stacking.
Okay, go north, go north, go north, north. They're stacking. Go northeast, go northeast, go northeast, go northeast. Northeast, go northeast, northeast.
Night slide.
Northeast.
Wala.
Everyone now, look south, everyone look shallow. Okay, kahit a bit, stabilize. Okay?
Yeah,
Defend, heal the front. Everyone now, south now, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw south. Drop. Drop healing node, please. When I'm going to engage, okay?
No guard runes as well.
We're so big, so fuck, we cannot delete. Okay? Hug the waliles. Go, kahit a bit northeast. Kahit, let them come. They're monkey, they're brawl, they're clap brawl. Let them come. Regroup muna. Okay. Southeast ka, Ile. Southeast ka. Hug the wall, southeast. Southeast, hug the wall. We're gonna shallow them, okay? Find me.
Front, I need
Wait.
front. Warm.
Iles, ready? East ka.
Ready.
Okay, shallow on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw crown.
Cleric.
Heal your node, please. So that they cannot pop clerical. Okay?
Too
Go
late,
back.
Hillion, too late.
Yeah, too late. Please, drop on offensive. Offensive, heal your node. Okay, again, DPS now. Again, counter engage west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw crown, boys. Just drop on the crown.
Hill front. Healers.
Okay, go back. Go back now.
Granios, engage with cooks, bro.
I'm alive. What the heck?
For the
DPS now, ready?
Ready.
DPS now, ready. We're gonna shallow again. Shallow west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ditang inside the bus. No one heal your node, man.
Bam.
bomb inside.
Oh my god, too many guys.
Okay, everyone now. Bam. Bam inside. May DPS get ready. May DPS get ready.
Minus 2 bomb nila.
Lupa, double OC.
Minus 2
May DPS still healthy.
Yeah.
Abi.
Okay, hold down.
Yo, why you guys so scared?
I need. Wala. Ang daming namatay dyan.
Okay, DPS now, ready.
30
I think some of my DPS are confused where to drop. Or we just don't have enough DPS. Or Bam! Guys, don't stay there!
Okay, nice.
Hiya, East! Oh my goodness. Guys! Wake up!
Tumaas na yung ano mo, di game mo cookies na wala na yung one tap.
Ano yan?
He said, Woa said this is just content. We don't take Terry. What the?
15 day. They have chariot now.
They always
Pero
have
wala
chariot,
tayo.
always have chariot. I'm looking at sand. They too deep, I cannot see them. Cannot mark them.
Don't stay there. Don't stay there. Let them come.
Open the gate.
Uy,
Fuck.
open
No, just open it. Let them.
Looking, main engage, look. Bam.
Yeah, let's just get them. Don't hug the wall, please, Abby. Don't hug the wall. No one hug the wall.
Help.
Sly, why are you there, Sly? Let them come. Bam inside the bus.
Wait lang, sir ko.
Bam inside the bus, okay?
Mali yung mark ko.
They shallow.
Don't stay in the choke. Stay there. Southeast kayo, Iles.
Hirap mo kita ng bomb, piste.
Asan si Iles? Di ko makita ang mark eh. Mark mo si Iles, Sly.
Ha? Wala ba?
Right here.
May mark. Red.
Bam.
Bam. Look south now. On the bomb. 5, 4, 3,
Dip mo.
2, 1. Uminaw southwest. Just hit. Go back.
Yeah, we're getting the tempo cooks.
Bricks,
Yeah,
did
you
you
play
change?
chill. I am rush too much. Defend on the front.
Yeah. Just like that cooks.
Yo, dito.
Okay, counter engage now. Ready? Counter engage now. DPS, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Then go back. Be careful on the bomb. Go. Don't stay in the wall. Don't stay near 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 the wall. DPS, get ready. Look southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina southwest.
Headbutt.
Go back.
Bro.
Don't stay there, Jazz. Sa ditang. That's a dead spot. Southeast.
Hill front, please.
DPS, get ready. Iles.
Envy ah. Bam envy.
Okay. Okay, bomb southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter engage now. On the bomb, on the bomb, on the bomb southwest. Nice one. Gala died.
Looking left.
Gala dead. DPS get ready in 3 seconds. Counter engage west now. Southwest now. Counter engage southwest, okay?
Wala pa. Ready.
East kayo Ilas. East kayo Ilas. East kayo
I
Ilas.
need heal front, I need heal front. Thank you, thank you.
Don't stay with me. Don't stay with me.
Bomb stacking
Otobon stay south. Maki.
Purge siya, purge.
Southwest now ready. Southwest ready, okay? Bomb looking. Okay, everyone west now. Look west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amina west.
Let drop,
Go
let
back.
drop.
Engage.
Go back. Engage. Don't stay on the stair. No one stay on the stair, okay? No one go to the stair.
Anong kikidnap? Oh my god, so hard.
Ilang cooldown na?
No info.
Don't go overextend. Sage bow, Otavon. Don't overextend. Don't overextend.
No info.
DPS
Nasa
ready.
south, east side bomb. Okay.
Ready.
Okay, I will counter southwest, counter southwest.
Ditang king win na bomb eh.
I told you guys, don't overextend. Please, my ditang. Why are you guys go overextending? What the heck?
Reaction time lang yun.
Gusto mo ba yan?
Shallow west now, shallow west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina shallow. Crown. Just drop on the crown.
Faster DPS.
More damage. We cannot one tap shit. Do I have damnation?
Bricks, can you change?
Southwest side south.
Go back.
Fake.
Bomb in V, south side. No info.
Okay, DPS get ready again. Okay, look southwest Iles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ominaw southwest now. More damage.
Debuff yung nalilate.
Go back.
Debuff late.
Exalted, can you drop offensive? I need one Exalted to drop offensive. The Hillion Hood me. Cleanse the Hillion Hood, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, de-engaging. Counter engage west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina west. Drop. More drop. Di talaga ma-one-tap. O, pusang galaw eh.
Hindi ng konti.
Ang DA natin.
Heal front.
Okay, Ilas ready, Eli. Ilas ready. Shallow on me, ditang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ominaw crown.
Southside bomb Southside bomb. Wait. Hindi pa nag-stack.
Try to pick cooks.
Okay, DPS again, ready.
Southside.
Don't overextend, Maki. Look west, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Krelios, what are you using? Don't stick with me, guys. Position yourself very good.
Minigage.
Defend. Counter engage now. Ilyas ready. Shallow on this ditang inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ominaw.
Halo.
Bomb stacking.
Break, sorry.
North side bomb. I perch them.
Okay, go back.
No buff. Shallow.
We're just keeping kidnap. My bedrocks, why are you there? What are you using, Dayaso?
Bedrock. I don't have defensive for minigage. Help me.
Janesco, be careful there. Sophia, good position. Shallow on me in the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, headbutt. Headbutt, boys.
Bomb stacking, okay?
Northwest position, Ilas. Northwest position ka.
It's okay.
Northwest position ka, okay?
Okay.
Bombis.
They bomb, wala na.
Northwest position, Ilas. We're gonna shallow northwest, Ilas. West now, west of the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Of the crown west. Good. We kill. Go back.
Left.
They're flooding. Counter engage now. Ready? Southwest again, Iles. West again, Iles. Look west again. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Ominaw west. Drop west now. Declare call. Jacket again fast. Okay?
Ditang
Ready.
inside.
Kiting
Defense ready.
Tell me ready. Tell me percentage.
Ready.
That setup. No, that setup.
DPS now. Looks out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ominaw south. Go back. Cleanse now.
They shallow.
Cleanse now.
Can you heal?
Iles, go southeast, Iles. Bam, 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 bam.
Walang stuck yan, walang stuck.
Ready,
Southeast, Iles, go southeast. Okay, look west, look south na, no, hold. Headbutt west, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, umina west.
Wala, tingnan dami.
Keep dropping,
Galang,
go back.
Yo, help, ditang front.
Where are you?
Go back,
Bricks?
go back.
HOJ.
Naxi.
Go back.
Yo, help, Naxi.
Southwest again, southwest Iles, 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1, uminaw crown.
Ganun na. Okay.
Layering man, di makadelete, di maka one tap.
Need to drop faster talaga DPS.
Again, DPS now. Shallow again, on the west now, shallow west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bomb squad looking Hindi ko ma-stop.
Headbutt now. Headbutt now. Bomb looking, be careful, bomb looking. Bomb looking.
Southwest.
Silence ko. Okay lang.
Hold down
Kami
na.
back-
TPS, get ready.
5 seconds pa to ko.
Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, again, look west now, look west. Wait lang. West now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina west. Go back now.
Fuck, they baited me. Help me.
Okay. QW, Ditang is Arbas. QW. Nagato too deep.
Yeah, I was helping.
Kidnap the Ditang. Everyone now, shallow southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow, Ditang is Arbas. Ditang. Kill the Ditang. More damage.
Bomb in via.
Party 1, party 2, drop on me, please. Party 1, party 2, drop on me. Party 1, party 2, drop on me. Not enough DPS, man.
Nice kill bomb.
DPS again. Ready? Heal me. DPS now. Counter Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest up now. Crown. Crown. More. Pusang gala. Di mamatay. Buisit.
Wait for.
Tanga na.
Bomb no info, I think it's AMV.
Again, DPS. Ready?
Ready.
No, they deep.
Look west now. Northwest Kalis. Go northwest. Fast. Go northwest.
Ready.
Look west. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only.
Fuck, we cannot delete at all, bro.
Pusang
That's the
gala.
same HP every time.
You know, we need the HOJ, man. We need the HOJ. I'm waiting for.
Fucking
EEO.
bro. Disarray.
Okay. Again, DPS. Look northwest. On the crowd. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the crowd.
And we cannot delete. Holy fucking shit.
The debuffs is...
Go back.
Yeah, debuff is late, bro. RB,
Liam stepping up.
stepping up, bomb. The NV,
Okay, DPS now. Step up nga kayo, Iles. Go to... Bam. Step up now. We're gonna engage inside the boss. This is fake. Nice. Wait. Go northwest. Look west. 5, 4, 3.
They still have clerical.
Nice.
Nice, we delete.
Go back now.
I'm looking.
Go back now.
Left.
Hold down to ko sa.
I cannot stop bomb. Get ready, Dutch, okay? I cannot stop bomb.
Ready.
Okay.
Engage
Ready? Shallow again. West. Okay, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw.
Nakaboots.
No info
Okay, go
sa
back
bomb,
na muna.
sa bomb.
Pusang gala.
Malayo. Dito.
Cooks, I think you fake. I main engage, okay? You fake.
Yeah, parang nakamarka na.
Okay. DPS get ready. Click out nga kayo. Click out. Go southeast. Click out, Iles, Wait. After the engage. Okay, look west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina west. Drop west.
Bam cook sa.
Okay, go southwest now, Iles. Go southeast, Iles. Don't stay in the go southeast, ha. Go southeast. Southeast position. Then we count southeast, ha.
Nandito yung
Count southeast, go southeast. Don't stay in the terrace. DPS get ready. Northwest now, shallow. Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest Mina, northwest Mina, northwest Mina. Bag.
Pre, matahan ko na lang tong bomb, pre.
More damage, more damage! Pusang gala! Again, cycle southeast. Tell me cooldown, Iles.
Long cooldown.
I'm looking,
Let me cool down.
Hawa, can you mic if the,
10 seconds
dyan?
ako.
Go kite east. Shallow inside of us on Liam, Santos, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Liam inside of us. More damage. Aray ko, man! Pag di pa mamatay, patay yung hinayupak na to. Go back east, go kite east, go southeast. Kite southeast. Go kite southeast. Okay, good. Tell me cooldown, DPS.
Ready.
Northwest deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest deep na, on me, crown.
Fucking RB.
Then go back.
Ay.
Go back now. Ditang hold, ditang fill them. Don't overextend. My demon armors, get ready, go back.
-1 dito ang kakay, be careful.
Iles, get ready. West again. Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina west. More damage west.
Almost.
-1
Di pa
dito,
mamatay ang hinayupak na yan. Go southeast. Fill them. Look west again. Look west in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina west. Mas.
Nice!
Good.
Nice one.
Go again. Go back.
Bam. Ready.
Go back. DPS get ready. 2 seconds now. 1 second. 5, 4, 3, 2. Vamos. Me. Drop. Full drop. Anything drop.
Yung bomb sana yun. Kaso tayo nung nabomb.
Sorry guys. I cannot hear you. It's raining. So, tanggala. Chill lang. Hold. QW yung sinabas. Ready, last, ready?
Ready.
Okay, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ditang on me. Just kill the ditang sinabas. Then go back now. Go back southeast. Cleanse. Demon. Nice one. Heal me. DPS now. Look west. Iles ready. West now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of them in west side. Please fucking kill this shit. Please kill this shit. Please kill the shit. Jacket fast. They can still engage. Defend. Nice. Look west now. On Liam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now.
Damn, you run so fast, bro.
Yeah, kill.
Careful, they still
Just kill. They're broken. Go, full chase them south. Full chase them. They're broken already. Come to me southeast. They're broken now. Full chase them.
Can you jacket?
Wala jacket.
Chase them.
15 minutes on OC.